Good morning there. We're in LA, sunny LA, and we about to take the scenic route. It's almost 1100, so pretty early, not early, but make it whatever you want. Gonna take the car and we're gonna make that super cool trip right now. So let's go. And even though the road is messed up a bit, I did enjoy driving through the Pacific Coast Highway. Took a little stop here to reload on the coffee and a toilet visit. And then we were soon back on that beautiful road. Definitely love this part of the road. Strong green nature and a beautiful mist hitting the road. Okay, so just reached this beautiful Vista Point up here. You got the upper Vista Trail. All of the details about it, but it's like full of, I don't know if they're eagles, might be eagles, I'm not sure, but check out the view over there. Check them out right there, playing around. That's what's up. Pretty cool, right? And it's 2:27 right now. We left at 11, so you do the math. We didn't stop in the meantime, but it was pretty busy getting out of LA and then through Malibu, Santa Monica and all that. So that took the most of the time, but almost in Solvang. I think I'm gonna stop in Solvang for a little while and take it from there. Santa Maria. Man, check out the difference between Los Angeles and Santa Maria. Like, that was locked up in LA. Locked up, it's open right here. So, staying at the Motel 6 right here in Santa Maria is okay. It's pretty good. I drove by accident to the other one, the one in the south, and the one in the south was like trying to convince me. It was a very nice gentleman, by the way. Had a nice little chat with him, and from Taiwan, the mister from Taiwan, and it was really cool. But I did pay already, so I'm just gonna go to where I paid, of course, right? I need to be right over there, try out the Wendy's, and I'm walking right now. But yeah, I thought it would be really interesting for you guys to know about the American ways of the motels, because you might have seen these documentaries about people living in them, and well, when you get out here and you experience it the first time, you might see some stuff that is different than what you're used to going to a hotel. Okay, so there's definitely gonna be people living in a motel. Definitely. There's definitely gonna be some that stuff on the ground. Okay, there's definitely gonna be some love making in a in a motel, like some kind of love making. Just be aware that some of these things will be different than what you're used to. And then I'll be talking to this other gentleman from another store. Well, he was, you know, I was just investigating about stuff happening out here. I'm not gonna do it walking. Sorry, I'm not doing the walking. I just had to cross, you know. And he was, you know, we got into a little talk about Europe, US and all that. And I asked him where I'm staying at, if it's okay, if it's not okay. Because I will show you some things being on the walls right there, which some people might not understand. Hold on. And this is the Baconator. Okay, so what I was telling y'all, you might see on the walls. If I'm gonna see it again, I'm gonna show you. So there seems to be some gang activity out here. And I thought it was over. I thought it was, you know, like almost gone, but it seems it's pretty alive out here, especially on the west side, they told me. So that's the part I want to stay away from, you know. I want to be up there. However, I still want to find them tags I found out earlier and show, yeah, you know, like, you might not see this too good. I don't know what it is, but, you know, sharing. Okay, this is going to be ISO 800, but I just want to close it with, you know, a little message about this town. So, so what do I think about Santa Maria? Well, it's a beautiful town, you know. I like it. I will come back. I think it's pretty cool. There's definitely a Latin community out here. That's the, you know, the bigger part of the picture. Yeah, that's about it for now. Just want to share these thoughts and let y'all know that I think it's a beautiful town.